Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Congratulations are in order for Kwesta and his wife after they've been together for 15 years and have two beautiful children in this marriage. Kwesta and his wife marked 15 years of love and partnership, showcasing the strength of their bond as they navigate a family and fame together. Even though there have been so many scandals about Kwesta cheating on his wife, we all know that so many followers love and admire their relationship. They are one of the most power couple in South Africa. I just feel like Kwesta realized there is nothing out there, nothing is on the street, and now he went back to his family because he is a family man. He loves his wife to death, he loves his kids, and we always see them outside. Like we always see them together. They are always together, and we love seeing the side of Kwesta, like as a family man. He has been in a long-term relationship with his wife, Yolanda Vilakazi, since around 2010. They met when she appeared as a video vixen in one of his shorts, and that's when everything started. Their relationship is not that it's perfect. Just like any other relationship, it has its own ups and downs. But we can all tell Uguti Kwesta is very close with his wife, and this actually makes their relationship even stronger. That's why they managed to spend 15 years together, because we know it's not that easy. It's not easy. Like, this is one of the most powerful couple in South Africa that have stayed together for this long while things were going up and down, things were just going south, but they stayed together, which is really good. We love this for Kwesta and Yolanda.